Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a software called MindMaster, which is useful creating mind maps for information. I thought it would be a great tool for this week's home learning as you're researching information about a country, and this can be used to present the information that you find out. It's free to download, so if you go onto Google and type in MindMaster, you can download it, but make sure you choose the free download. When you've done this, it should appear on your desktop, okay? And then you can click on it and this window will appear, okay? You then need to choose the type of mind map that you want to create. So I'm going to choose Wright map. And this text box will appear. Now this is for your main idea, your main topic. So I'm going to type in here, India. But you can type in your chosen country, okay? Then when you've done that, you click on the plus and it should give you then a main topic. So this main topic is linked to the country that you've chosen. So I'm going to go with animals. Okay, type in animals and then it will give you some options to add some subtopics now. So you can give extra information about that main topic. Okay, so I'm typing here Bengal tiger. Okay, and when you've done that, you can add again another subtopic. So I will put in red panda, and another one, soft bear, because I know that these animals are found in India. Okay, now if I want to, then I can click and add even further information about this animal. So I could put the national animal of India. So you can put further information related to that subtopic there. Then if I go back to India again and I press my plus, I've got another main topic. So this time I might choose to put in something about the geography of India. Okay, click my plus again to get my subtopic, and I could type in India is in Asia. Another one, the desert is in India. And if I want to, then I could put further information, more subtopics related to each of these. Each time I go back, I add another main topic in. So I might put cities, and then my subtopic, Mumbai is a city in India. Okay, so I've got my title, so that's my country I'm researching. I've got my main topics linked to that, and coming off that, my subtopics here to show the information that I have found out. Okay, so this can be ongoing throughout the week if you choose to use it. And when you learn a new fact, you can then go back onto here and add it, but just make sure you click file and save, and you save it somewhere in your document so that you can keep going back and adding to it throughout the week. It's a great way to present the information that you found out, and you can share it with others. So just have a go and see what you come up with. Enjoy.